Once NetBrain discovers all the assets in your network, it will automatically organize and catalog these into inventory reports. The NetBrain Inventory Report records comprehensive inventory data of your network, including device data, interface data, module data, and site data. You can use built-in reports as templates to export or customize your own reports by specifying device scope and asset data. Export everything in the NetBrain database or specify particular sites, device groups, or device types that you would like to export. You can even sort by parameters such as serial number or software version to make sure you have an up-to-date understanding of what's in your network. Just like everything else in NetBrain, it will be updated periodically.